TNT and HBO Max.
This contest at one fall is for the TBS Championship. Introducing the challenger from Durham, North Carolina, Kamille.
Kamille, who made a devastating return.
Champion, the face of TBS, the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Oh, a tall order for Willow. Nightingale fires back, powerful left. Willow now takes Kamille.
Here she comes.
Pounce!
She's got her arm clutched to her side, but that's not stopping her.
Willow tries to steady herself, but Kamille!
Strategy. And the way that she's been attacking Willow's shoulder has been nothing short of excellent.
Willow, the backslide, the stack, and go! Willow Nightingale just barely pulling out the victory here tonight, defending.
Willow Nightingale, what a great victory for our great friend. Don't you agree, Star? いや、あいつまた運だけで勝ち上がったな。私ん時も運だけだったもんな。But last Saturday, you and me, Chris, we made a great team. 2 AEW Originals. あの詐欺師のハーレーよりも何百万倍も良かったでしょう。And we're going to team up again on Collision tomorrow night. Ah, can't wait. So, see you there.